Namaskar, good afternoon. Welcome to SNU Reel and you are watching Unscripted. This is your host Shoikat Mujumdar, Assistant Professor Journalism and Mass Communication Department, and I have come up with another episode of Unscripted. Those who watch Unscripted regularly, you know that we come up with this program and our distinguished guests come in our studio to discuss about different academic activities. Let me introduce our guests today. We have Professor Moushumi Bhattacharya and Dr. Anirban Mitra from Department of Computer Science Engineering. Madam and sir, welcome to our program.
Thank you very much, Shoikat,
for this invitation.
And this is a great privilege for all the students or existing students and the aspiring students of CSE, Computer Science Engineering, to ask your questions and ask your queries to ma'am and sir, and we will discuss about different aspects of this course in Sister Nivedita University. Madam, let me start with the very basic questions, that what are the courses we are offering here in Sister Nivedita University?
Okay, so in Sister Nivedita University, from Computer Science and Engineering Department, we are offering 4 BTech courses. First one is BTech in Computer Science and Engineering.
Okay.
Second one, BTech in Computer Science and Business System. Third one, BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, specialization with AI, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. And the last one is BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, specialization with IoT, Cybersecurity and Blockchain. So apart from these 4 BTech courses, we have MTech in Computer Science and Engineering and Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering too.
Okay. So these are the courses which SNU is offering, and I know that aspiring students and existing students, both of you have a very common question in your mind, and I would ask Anirban about this question, that is, every student's first when they start a course, especially this kind of specialized course, they have one common question in mind, that what are the career prospects after I complete the course? If you can please elaborate on this.
Before saying anything on your questions, I would like to announce something.
Yes, surely.
I think today for TIG Group it is a special day, and I think it is a record day. The same day when we are in this interview, at the same time, 7 Campus Drive is running at the same day.
Wow.
And the names is Microsoft, Persistence, Ernst & Young, Mastech Info, Xavier, Delta X and Cloud Captain.
Oh, great.
So
that's a great
this
news.
is a very good achievement for our placement group also.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's why I'm very much charged to explain this thing.
Yes, of course.
And for your answer, for your question, I would like to say that our department will follow 3-dimensional approach to prepare the students.
Okay.
Some students having interest for industry. So we will prepare our students for industry. The when they will join to industry, they should 100% ready for that.
Yes.
Second one, some students may be very much interested for higher studies, MS, MTech, blah, blah, blah. For this kind of approach, for this kind of aspects, we would support them. We will support them
Okay.
for the higher study.
Right.
And the third dimension, suppose some students maybe want to open a startup,
Yes.
the entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship, yes.
Okay. If they will open a startup, then many students more from our this state can join them.
Yes.
So we will encourage them for this kind of things also. So this is a 3-dimensional approach we are maintaining for our department.
Okay. And relating to this, one question comes into our mind, that you mentioned about the higher studies opportunity also. So what are the opportunities of higher studies after completing the courses here?
The students can go for the MTech, can
Yes.
go for MS.
Yes.
Our many students go for go abroad for MS or master's programs. Even after that, after master's program, we have also some master's programs also. After master's program, they can do for the research. Okay. So there will be 3 or 4 factors which is very much recur for them. That is the publication, the encourage the flourishment of their basically innovative power, innovative skills.
Yeah.
So these are the things the continuously will support to them for this kind of approaches that you can do, you can imagine what you want to do. Just dreaming. For this point, I want to remember the quote. There is a dream, the definition of dream dream is not what you see in the sleep, according to Professor APJ Abdul
Yes.
Kalam. Dream is that what does not let you sleep.
Yes, absolutely.
So for our department, if a student can dream, that's enough. This is a prerequisite. You can dream at first.
Yes.
You follow your dream, we will give our support.
So be a dreamer and join our department here in Sister Nivedita University, and you will get all the support as Professor Dr. Anirudh Mitra has said. And Moushami Madam, I would like to ask you another question. This is, I suppose, a common question for aspiring students also, that there are two courses you were offering, CAC and CSBS. Can you please explain the uniqueness of these two courses?
Yes, sure, sir. First of all, I would like to start with BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, the very basic course which we are offering from the last 3 to 4 years. So we have the collaboration with IBM for this particular course.
Yes.
So what are the benefits we will be getting from this collaboration? First of all, some subjects for each semesters will be taught by IBM professionals. So accordingly so whenever we teach our subjects, we are the academicians, so whenever we teach our subjects, we normally follow a particular approach. We are very much focused about the curriculum or the syllabus. We are very much focused about their assignments, their assessment, their midterm assessment, end semester assessment. So our total approach is basically like an academician, because we are the academicians.
Yes.
But when an industry professional is taking a subjects, so that means he has that knowledge how this particular curriculum course or particular subjects will be used in industry.
Right.
So whenever he teaches a paper, so students will get not only the technical knowledge, along with that they will also get how these subjects will be implemented or applied in the industry.
Yes.
So I think this makes a major difference in our course.
They can prepare themselves professionally.
Exactly. Before joining to the industry, they have a clear-cut knowledge how this particular programming language or this particular subjects is being used in real life in industry. And along with that, as this is a collaboration with IBM, as I told you earlier, so whenever they will enroll to this course, they will be getting some credentials from IBM. And so that they can avail the courses, video lectures from IBM sites.
Okay.
And if they can complete the courses successfully, they can pass the examination, so they will be getting the certification from IBM too. Just like an example, suppose we normally have Java programming, object-oriented programming in our curriculum. So we teach it. So after completion of this Java, if the students thinks that he or she wants to pursue advanced Java curriculum, so they can get it from IBM site along with the industry flavors, of course, and they can get the advanced Java certification from IBM. So definitely this is a huge mileage in their CV.
Yeah, it's an additional benefit for them.
Benefits they are getting.
Yes.
Now coming back to the second course, Computer Science and Business Systems. So
Yes.
as we are the first university from Eastern India who offered this course in 2018.
Right.
Basically 3 universities from India. First we started these courses. One is Eastern University is one of them. From
Okay.
Eastern India, we are the only
one. Yeah.
So we are the senior most also. That's why we got the benefit that we got the training from TCS and eminent professors from ISI directly.
Okay.
And the major USP of this program is that, so generally what we feel when a student completes a normal BTech curriculum, so after that he or she joins in the industry, then he or she needs to undergo a training, because they have the academic knowledge, as I already mentioned, but they don't have the idea how this knowledge will be transferred to the industry, applied.
Yes.
So to bridge this gap, the TCS launched this course, Computer Science and Business System. So if a student selects this course, so he or she not only will gain only the technical knowledge, the core computer science knowledge, but along with that, there will be an equal appreciation of management related subjects,
Yes.
which will be more important in industry, like design thinking, entrepreneurship skills, and along with that some life skills also.
Yes.
because in this time, life skill is also very important.
Important, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So this is the major USP of this course. So
Okay.
I think and also we are having the outcome, we are already getting the outcome from the CSBH students. Okay, when they will pass out, they will complete the course now. So they don't need to go for the extra training to join the industry.
Yes.
They will be almost industry ready.
And Dr. Mitra, I suppose you want to add something to this. And in fact, one question Madam was saying, taking cue from that this is one situation we are facing for the last 1.5 years, this pandemic situation. We are doing it online. All the classes are being held online in Sister Nivedita University. How do you cope up with this situation, and what do you tell your students during this situation?
Actually, I think according to me, right now, everywhere the resources are available.
Yes.
Okay, but you need to use those resources effectively, positively, because right now resource is not a problem. If you just you remember the days of 15 years or 20 years back, there was no such kind of resources. So whenever I would like to add one point here.
Yes.
Some students who are from the 11-12 have the biology.
Yes.
They are very much afraid about that if we will join the computer science, then how to cope up with the computer science, because I do not have the such knowledge and coding.
Background, yes.
Coding. So at the first year, from the first year, we will start our foundation courses, where we can fill up all the gaps.
That's a kind of bridge.
Yeah.
Bridging
So
between their knowledge.
it is not basically a regular routine.
Yes.
It is a added.
Right.
It is an added program. It is basically concurrently executed for them only. After that, after the second sem, we will start some grooming session for technological grooming and everything. So if a student can benefit it from 9 to 5 class hours, after that they can enrich themselves by whatever the resource we will provide them.
Yes.
Okay. So I think nowadays students are very much benefited, and we observe the result, the fabulous result. Our students, and whatever the experience we had, the 15 years and 18 years experience, and students having the 11-12 the biology,
Yes.
they just flourish their career as a development. So I must say to my students, all students, if you have 11-12 the biology, don't afraid about this thing.
Exactly.
What I mentioned
Yes.
that you need to just follow your dream. Just dreaming is important. This is a prerequisite. I always say to my students, dreaming, because whenever the smartphone is arrived, we never use the smartphone.
Yes, before that.
But we feel the desire, we need to use those things.
Yes.
If you feel this urge, then you can do it immediately.
As a matter of fact, everything we do it new.
Yeah.
One day you have to stir something.
Yes. So I think today, and my students are very much benefited. They are very much concurrently. They are doing the parallelly. There's some enrolled program as university given to them. Again, by their choice, they will do some courses from various online on platform.
Yes.
And I think this is a benefit, and obviously benefit for the students.
Coming to another issue, madam, you were talking about the course of BTech CSE in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. If you can elaborate on this course
Sure,
a bit
sir.
more.
Actually, we are offering this course from this year only. So, keeping the demand on our mind that artificial intelligence and machine learning, these two are the most important subjects in nowadays. So, keeping this demand in our mind, so we have decided that we should open this course, because this is already AICTE affiliated course.
Yes.
So we have just picked up the courses from the AICTE buckets. And what are the advantage of this course is that as we are the deemed university, so it is very easy for us to align the curriculum according to our syllabus,
Okay.
focusing on artificial intelligence and machine learning. And one extra point I want to add with this, related to the course BTech in CSBS, Computer Science and Business System. So you may find this course is offered by different colleges, several colleges.
Yes.
But what is the benefit of this
Studying in
course in
SNU. Yes,
SNU.
yes,
Yes,
exactly.
as first point I told you ki we are the senior most in
Right,
the Eastern India, so we have the most experienced faculty for this particular course. The second one is that if we follow the curriculum of BTech in computer science and business system, so curriculum is mainly focused with the cutting edge technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and moreover is the statistics, because
Okay.
statistics is very much important in case of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So to align these papers, the more statistics, more artificial intelligence and machine learning, so if the college or university is not the deemed university, so they cannot take their own decision to fit the curriculum in their syllabus,
Okay.
to fit the content in their curriculum rather,
Right.
I should say. But as we are the deemed university, so we have that flexibility, so we can directly fit the content provided by TCS and ISI in our curriculum very easily.
Yes.
So
That is the uniqueness of this
uniqueness of
course.
SNU.
Yes, yes.
I would like to add a point.
Yes,
with
of course.
Moshimedi.
Yeah.
That is the AI or ML, the artificial intelligence machine learning is basically now every industry depends on
Yes.
industry 4.0
Absolutely.
and depends on AI, machine learning, deep learning, blah blah blah. But we are the academicians, so how our students will get the essence of industry? So that's why from our department we launched a program, Web Tech Series. For if you follow the calendar of Web Tech Series for last 2 months, from Google, from Intel, from Mercedes-Benz R&D, Fraser, they're the tycoon of this AI or machine dependent industry, machine intelligence dependent AI industry. We are inviting those developers or scientists from those industry. They came to our institute virtually. They just forward their knowledge, shared their knowledge with our students,
Okay.
and students are benefited because the connection is basically made, and they can flourish this connection for their academic career. So these points will add some basically extra features for this AI ML dependent courses.
Okay. And another question comes into my mind. In fact, this is a question I suppose many students have in their mind, that what about the placement and internship which SNU is offering? If you can elaborate on that.
Internship for the internship club.
Internship. Okay, so first I want to brief the how we are helping students to make them ready for the placement.
Yes.
Then Anirban will tell you
Yes,
the
yeah.
brief details of the placement. So first of all, the grooming portion, as he already mentioned, ki we are arranging some extra classes
Yes.
and extra training courses, short-term training courses for them. But apart from these, actually, it doesn't matter ki how much we are teaching them until and unless they are not practicing and they are not
Exactly.
sitting for the competitive exam or competitive codings like that. So to enhance the culture of the competitive coding towards our students, so we have opened several clubs. And the first one I want to mention, that is CodeShape Club. So
Okay.
we know how difficult it is to get the affiliation for CodeShape from CodeShape. It takes generally 4 to 5 years, but our students has already got this affiliation from CodeShape within 2 years. And this is a really a pride moment for
Yes,
us.
great
Yeah.
achievement, right?
Great achievement. We also think that ki
Yes.
our student got it. So we have this CodeShape Club. We have Hack Club collaboration, SNU chapter, basically CodeShape SNU chapter, Hack Club SNU chapter. We have Geek for Geeks chapters too, which is also a very pride moment for us. We have GitHub's chapter too.
Okay.
Apart from that, we have one of our students, Shomodip Mondal from 4th semester CSBS. So he has been selected as a Google Student Developer Club. And this is, we are really proud of him.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
one of our students, Shubham Trivedi from 6th semester CSBS, he is doing his internship under An Academy. So these names are very eminent in
Yes,
our
yes,
domain,
yes.
and we just
And this is a matter of pride for both for them and our institution.
our institute also,
Yeah.
because within only 3 years they achieved this.
Yes.
because our first batch will be passing out at 2022.
22, right.
So basically we are having our students in 7th semester only, and they achieved so many achievements in this. Apart from that, Shomadip Mondol and Aditya Dubey from CSE and CSBS 4th semester, they have been also selected as a Google Summer Code member. So this is also, and they have got $1,500 as stipend.
Yes.
So these are also very good achievement for us.
Yeah.
And apart from these clubs, so and what we do, the foundation course, foundation curriculum, so what he mentioned, or Anirban mentioned
Right.
earlier. So before starting the normal curriculum, when a student basically takes the admission, so during 1 or 2 weeks, we will try to groom them, we'll try to elaborate them the benefits of all the clubs, and we will force them to open the chapter, to open their account in that particular club. So that sometimes we feel if we just request them, student, you please do that, maybe they can ignore our request.
Yes.
But if we force them, this is the mandatory criteria for computer science and engineering department, so they must follow it, and from the very beginning they will be getting the flavor of the competitive coding.
Exactly.
So, and I think that will
And
be
that
the
will be
most
interesting
key
for them
points.
also.
Exactly.
Yes.
That's the virtues
to
Jatayu.
give the shape of the career. And one thing, of course, I related to internship, I want to mention 21 students from BTech in CSBS course, 6 semesters. They are already completed. They have already completed their internship in
Right.
TCS.
Very good.
2 months they successfully completed. And now Vartuja has organized all India basis project competition, and from the entire Eastern India, one group have been selected at the final round, and that group is from our college, Sister Nivedita University. So
Lovely.
5 students from BTech CSE, Utshab, Shuman, Shaurik, Smarto and Rishabh, they have been already selected in Vartuja for their job offer.
Oh, lovely.
And now, anybody want to brief something about our placement?
To explain the placement, I just want to I want to describe a statistics.
Yes.
You know that SNU University is a part of a group TIG,
Right.
and if you follow the results of the 2021 batch, who is a pass out of 2021, 3,000 students are already placed.
Oh, that's a huge
Yes.
achievement.
And so that's why it's basically I'm very much excited. And 160 placement drive we have organized.
160.
160.
Oh, it's
160.
also a very good number.
Yeah.
From the 5th semester for 2022 pass out batch, we have organized the placement. It is already crossed 25. So, if I'm not very much wrong, till Puja vacation, each and every day, we have one or multiple campus drive.
True.
So basically what is happening here, there is no spoon feeding technology. We can't say that 200% guaranteed, job guaranteed we will offer, but we can say 500% support guarantee.
Yes, absolutely.
The
That is
Yeah.
very important, I suppose.
So, you know, just if you just remember the 10 years back story, the company of 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, this packaging company of went for the placement for some premier institute. But right now, everything is global.
Right, absolutely.
If you have a spark, just do it.
Yes.
You have a scope, we will just provide the scope. We will ready for that scope. We will ready for the battle. But you have to face the battlefield by
Yes.
your own.
We can provide the
There is no
platform.
spoon feeding, there is no shortcut way.
Yes.
You have to encourage yourself, flourish yourself, that you can prove yourself.
Yes.
So the institute doesn't matter. Basically, if you have a scope, prove yourself.
Yes.
So that's why I have to mention that Accenture within this week or next month, we have a special drive sums. Nutanix offered 25 lakhs. Goldman Sachs, I'm wrong. Nutanix offered 20 lakhs, but it is not a very small amount.
Yes. of course.
Goldman Sachs 25 lakhs, and Accenture, McAfee. The total day will cover if I'll explain the total
Yes,
industry list.
absolutely,
Okay,
Naveen, yeah.
so this is I can say that much about the placement. Now you can realize what is the opportunities for our students is waiting there.
So the students who
And
are
one
the,
point I want
yes,
to add
yes,
with
yes.
Anirban.
Yes, yes, of
One
course.
of our students, Shagnik Mitra from BTech CSBSC final year, so he has been selected in Odisha, 6.5 lakhs package yearly.
Oh, lovely.
So, first
that
student who got
is
job.
that is also a very good
Yes.
news for the department and for Sustainability
us also,
University
yeah.
itself. So the students who are already there in this department and who are the aspiring students of the department. So you as Anirban sir was saying, that you must be a dreamer, and the dream and the achievement can be yours. And madam, one question has come, and I suppose madam has already covered it. Still, I'm putting the question that the courses about artificial intelligence and machine learning. So the those who are interested in that, this BTech CSE course in AI and ML will be ideal for them.
Of course, because and another point I missed, I want to add it right
Yes.
now. Ki BTech in CSE specialization with AI/ML. That doesn't mean that ki you will only study the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Not at all. You will study all the core papers of computer science and engineering. Along with that, you will also study more artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science in details. And so that ki after completion of 4 years, suppose you think ki you are not very much interested about artificial intelligence or machine learning, rather you are interested about a core developer job. So as you have covered all the code papers of computer science and engineering, not only papers, all the code programming languages too. So your options are already there. So you can select any other options according to your choice. So this is the one flexibility of this
Yes,
course
of
I
course.
want to
I
mention,
should say that this is a
flexibility. You have the flexible
Yes.
career choice.
Yes, of course.
Shoykot sir,
yes.
you have asked me a question of the research.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
I want to add a point that in our department, the focus is actually I don't want to just develop an engineer or scientist. I want to develop a human being, a great human being.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So that's why if you're engineer, where is your contributions towards the society? So we have a scope at the research. At the research, we have a scope. We can do something because we know the technology. We know what is the requirement. We can do something. It is a very great news that my students and our students of department
I want to add one point with you.
published some paper on there's a COVID predictions at Springer the last month. Okay. And so, and again another paper was on the cancer detection, diabetic detection, glaucoma detections for the RNFL image, how to detect the glaucoma. So by this way we can contribute something.
Yes, of course.
And even though
that is a contribution to the society also.
Yeah.
One of the important point is that as we are the university, so we are having various departments here. We are having microbiology, biotechnology.
Right.
So if students thinks that he or she can do a project with collaboration with biotechnology or microbiology, that will be a great achievement for them.
Yes, yes.
We have law. So the projects on cyber law, cyber security, the collaboration with computer science and engineering department, I think that will be a very interesting project
Yes.
research work.
And that will open a new window for the students
Exactly.
also.
So being at the university, they are having this exposure
Right.
to do the cross-departmental project and research.
Yes, and this interdisciplinary approach, I suppose this will help them with achieving newer avenues.
Of course,
fact.
definitely.
Yes. And so we are almost at the verge of ending this program. But before I conclude the program, let me ask both sir and ma'am that one question I suppose haunts the mind of many students, that after this pandemic situation in the last 1.5 years we are facing it. Will there be any effect on their career? This is, I suppose, this is a common question to all departments. I'm asking this question to you also.
First of all, I don't think that this will make any difference in their career, because the way we continued our regular online classes, grooming classes, coding competitions, examinations, so and placement drive, internship. So we don't think that that will make a difference. If a student is serious, they are very much, if he or she is focused in their career, so it won't be a problem.
Yeah.
I think.
So students, be rest assured that this pandemic will not affect your career in that way, as ma'am has ensured, and sir has said a very good thing. I will conclude the program with that. That be a dreamer and achieve what you want to achieve with the department here. Thank you, madam, and thank you,
Thank
sir,
you.
for
Thank
being
you,
with us in
Shilpa
this
sir.
program. This was a nice interaction, and those who want to study and who are studying the subject computer science engineering, I suppose you have got all your answers. So keep watching Unscripted, keep watching SNU Reel. Thank you.